My dear students, so I am going to teach you today how inner HTML works and how we can use that DOM manipulation to manipulate anything within the HTML tag. So I will be making one file. First, I will make open a new window itself. So I will open a new window here. So now I will create one new file and I will name this as. So I will save this file. Save as inner HTML. I will name it as inner HTML. INNER HTML. Understanding inner HTML, so but I will write inner HTML dot HTML extension. So now here I will save it. So here you can see inner HTML file has been created. So I will be now using this. So HTML file I am using. So I will use this and it will automatically appear. Okay. So now doc type HTML has appeared here. So I will make HTML tag opening tag here. HTML opening. So you can now and ending tag also I will be making. So when I will put it here, so ending tag also came automatically. So as you can see here, now I will make head. So in the head, so I will be making head tag here, HEAD head, and head ending tag has all automatically appeared here. So in the head tag, I will put title. So here let's put TITLE. Automatically it has appeared. And ending tag I will put and. So here you can see a title also is there. So I will be doing here head tag and then I will make body tag here. So in the title tag, I don't have to put anything or I can put my title, anything I can do here. So I will put my title, my TITLE. Okay. So it doesn't make any sense because I am teaching you about how inner HTML works. So for that we will be considering what is there in the body tag. So here head tag we have finished. Now below the head tag we will make our body tag. So let's make body has appeared here. So ending tag we will put and automatically body tag has appeared here. So in the body tag what I will do is here I will make one p tag. So you can see I will make one paragraph tag. So when I will be making one paragraph tag, in that I will be putting one question. So what type of question can I ask? Let me decide first here. So this is the best what I can make out. So first of all, I will make one paragraph tag. So ending tag. So in the paragraph tag, I will ask one question. The question will be, so in the paragraph tag, what I will do here is, I will be putting one paragraph here. So that paragraph, I will here write Good Morning India. So here let's write here Good Morning India in strings. Good morning, India, DIA. So this I have put under this paragraph tag. So as you can see, now I have made this file. So if I will run this file here, so it will show Good Morning India. So Chrome will open now. And you can see Good Morning India is displayed here. But I don't want to use this Good Morning India. Instead, I want to put some other things. So for that, what I will do here, I I want to put something else. Okay. So instead of Good Morning India, I want to put Hello World or something else. So what I will do, I will manipulate using our script. So I will put here like this so it will be easier for us to make out. So I will minimize and I will extend this here and I will put this here inside. So here what I will do now. So in this way now p tag is there. So what I will do now here. in order to manipulate here, so within the body tag here, you can see body tag here is there. So we have to put one script tag within the body tag. So under the p, I will put one script tag. So in order to add JavaScript. So script has appeared here. So and here, so ending tag has also appeared. So in this, I will do what now? First, I have to actually, I will be using this get document by ID. So this is a document key. This whole thing is called as document. So here I will make ID, and this is inner HTML. Whatever the title is in this paragraph, this is inner HTML. So I will be using document dot get element by ID. Get element by ID. See, it has appeared here. Get element by ID. So here now, here ID I have to give here something. You can see, because it will be manipulating this. So here in the p tag, I will be adding some ID. So for the p tag, I will add ID as, I will put ID as equals to. So I will put XYZ, or anything we can put XYZ. So this is the ID. Okay, p tag here. This is the ID. Okay. So XYZ is the ID for this one. So it should be in parenthesis. Oh, I will. So here ending p tag, good morning India. So as you can see here, p tag, within the p tag, good morning India is there, and ending tag is also there. So good morning India. So as I have put this here, so now I have to remove this string, because ID I have given. So when I am giving one ID, so this string should be removed here. When I will remove the string here, this also. So good morning India, I have given one string. So this also I have to remove the parenthesis itself. Now you can see ending p tag is there, and opening p tag is there. So this PID XYZ is there. So we can make out. So now I have given this as, assigned this as this one. So now we can see this is ending tag. The ending tag is there. So get document by ID. Now this same thing I have to get here. So what I will do, I will copy this and paste here, and it should be in string format only. Whatever is there, like that, in the string format, double strings this side and double string this side. So now what I will do here, I will be actually, this is inner HTML. So I want to manipulate this using the DOM, document object model. So I will do what now? This is inner HTML, so I will use this function inner HTML. INM here HTML HTML inner HTML dot, this by mistake I have put here comma, so it should be dot, then only it can choose inner HTML is equals to. So I will change this good morning India to happy new year world, like that I will put, or hello world. I will put happy world itself. WORLD. So let's now we have done this till here. So let's save this document. It is already saved here, but we will save it again. And now we will be running this again. So what it will now, when we are running this, so what it should show. Now let's see. Happy New Year world should be displayed. Happy world. You can see happy world has been displayed. So you can make out what we have done here. So why it is showing happy world? Because here good morning India was there. So we have used this within the script tag get document get element by ID. So this was the ID, and we want to manipulate this ID. So this ID was there. So I want to change this. I will pick up this ID, and whatever the string or whatever the things are there that good morning India is written, I will replace by this happy world. So now what it has done, it has picked up this whole ID of this paragraph tag, p tag, and it has actually using inner HTML function. So we have changed this. So in this way, we were able to change this one. So happy world has we were able to see how it has displayed happy world in this. So in this way, inner HTML work. In the same way, text content also works. So I will be explaining you that later on. So again, run this program. Let's remove this. Uh, Now I will run this code again. So happy world it has displayed. If this ID I would have taken it, na, I would have not taken it, then it would have not displayed this. It would have not manipulated this. This is called as manipulation of DOM. So document object model. So it has manipulated here using this document dot get element by ID. So in this way we can do other things also. So in my previous video, I have shown you how inner HTML works and how it is able to manipulate the DOM. Whatever the sentence was there in HTML tag, p tag, and it was we were able to manipulate, change it with another sentence or string. So today we will move ahead with little bit more further. I will explain you how it works and what other things we can do using JavaScript function also in the script tag. So you can better understand. So first of all, I will create one file and I will open a text file. So I will first I will do is what I will save the file as this. I will name it as inner HTML2. HTML2 dot HTML is the extension of this file. So let's on the desktop only I will put, and that's it. So now I've created the file. So let's code this. So I will first put doc type HTML. So we got here doc type HTML. So I will make one HTML tag, and closing tag is also there. So HTML tag I have made. Now I will make head tag here. I will make one head tag. So let's make this head. Oh, head. So head tag I have made here. Now within the head tag I will make one title tag. T-I-T-L-E title tag. So in the title tag I will write INNERHTML2. So doesn't matter. So now I have written this. Now I will make one body tag. So let's make one body tag here below the head tag. So I will make body body tag. End tag also got created automatically. So now I will make one paragraph tag, and I will ask one question here. I will like a questionnaire I will make. So I will write here make one paragraph tag, and in this I will ask one question like what is the national flower of India? So let's make this. Uh, it's better I will write from here. What is the national flower of India? So this is the question here. Okay. So I have made here. So in the body, this is the paragraph tag where I have made here. So I will do what I will be doing. This is the question here. So question now, if I will run this code, so question will be there. So you can see only question. But I want to make a button and how it works. After pressing the button, the answer should appear. So let's open the this one. So what is the national flower of India? So what I will do, I will make here one button tag, and after clicking that, the person will get the answer. Okay. So I will be making in that way. So let's carry on what we were doing. So I will stop this. Okay. So now this is the question. Now I want to make answer. So for that, first I will make a button tag. Button. So I will make a button. So butt button tag got created. So I will give this as ID. ID. I will put any number. So here I am planning to put 6. So in strings, double quotes or inverted comma. So I will put here 6. Now I will use on click event. On click event is there. On click JavaScript event. In there are lots of events on click, on mouse over. So in that way, this JavaScript is having on click event. So I will write here on click. What should happen? So here this is the on click event. So I have to make a function. So on click that function will be called. So what I will do? I will be now making function also. So in the body tag itself, I will make one script tag. So I will complete this later on. For further better explanation, I will not complete it now. So I will make a script tag. So this is the opening tag and this is the ending tag. So in the script tag, what I will do, I will be using here the function. So here on click that function will be called. First I will make a function here in the script tag. So I will name this function using the keyword function. Function. So this is function and I will name the function as country. C capital Country, and we know that we have to put this if it is a function. So now function, this we have done. Now one space bar we have to put after this, and we have to put one curly braces. So curly braces will come down. Now here I will be using document dot get element by id. Get element by id. So I have made here this function country. Okay, and I will use this country is there. So I will do what now? On click this country function will be called on click. So I will copy here and put inside this in the inverted commas or double quotes. So now you can see country will be called here. So this is the way this will be called. Okay. So button tag is here. So what I will do here, this is the function will be called using this on click. Whenever click will happen, this function will be called, and whatever will be there inside the function that will be displayed. So I will do is what, document get element by id. Element by id. So now here what I will be doing here, button id is 6. So I will do this whole thing here. I will put parenthesis first, and inside this parenthesis, so this id it will take, that is 6 number it will take here. Get up so it will actually identify where button is there, button. So this number, because of this it will be able to identify the button. So this is actually mentioning the button id. Just a second, I will use arrow. So this text is there. So when this function is doing what, this is actually indicating this one, this button. So this button here it is indicating. So what we will do, this is where, this is the inner html. So we have to use our inner text. So I will write here inner text, because this is text. So inner text, this whole thing. So inner text is there. So in the inner text, I want to give the answer as lotus, because national flower of India is lotus actually. So I will put here LOTUS, lotus, and here we have to put semicolon. So in this way, the function is made here within the script tag. Now here on click, you can see, but I have to put here question also. Click me for the answer or something. So here I will put between here like click me for the answer. Click me, CLICK me for the answer. ASWER. So let's save this whole thing again and let's run the code. Inner HTML it has opened here. See, this the same thing is opened here. Now I will do what now? I will click here for the answer. You can see Lotus has been displayed here. Okay, so Lotus has been displayed here. So in this way it works. So you must have understood how it works. So I will explain this code again. So here you can see this was the button ID. I have made one button, and that button is actually having this label. Click me for the answer. So that button I have shown you. So it was having this label. So whenever that button we can see click me for the answer and question was on the top. So click me for the answer. What happened here when we did what? We have taken this ID 6 button ID and we have used this document dot get element by ID. So this is getting the element by ID. So ID is this and button is having this ID. So that means it is getting the thing whatever is there in is of button, and this function is within the country. So whenever we click here on click, so what happens? This function country is called, and whenever the function country is called, so this code get executed, and the answer is displayed as Lotus. So we can see why the answer is displayed as Lotus because of this. So click me for the answer because the function is called. This function is called. This function country is called here on clicking. Whenever a click happens, and then this answer is displayed. So in this way, we were able to see. Now I will again run the code and we will see it again. So as you can see here, the same thing. What is the national flower of India? The question is asked. And this button, so button ID, this is the button having label. Click me for the answer. This is the click me for the answer. And the function country is there behind this. So this ID is related to button ID. So it is being taken over from here to here. And inner text. So answer will be Lotus here. So I will click here and Lotus is displayed. You can see Lotus is displayed. So you got it. In this way, we are able to manipulate the DOM using inner HTML. Now what we can do here, we can do one more thing here. As you can see, this is a normal function we have made. But in JavaScript, we can do what now? We can change this. We can assign this whole thing to a variable. So I will do what now? I will assign the whole thing to a variable. All I will do is what? I will make another file, same file. So I will explain you second part, which is in the same way you can do this way or either that way. So I will show you another way how JavaScript works. So I will make one text file and I will name this. I will save this file as inner HTML3. Inner HTML3 dot extension HTML. So now I will be explaining you again whole thing. I will do what? So I will be actually copying this whole code here from here and I will be pasting the code here. So it will save time. No need to code again. So you can see here function is there. As we can see this line is correct. This line everything is as it is we will keep. And what we will do here instead of this function we have named here a country like this. So we will use variable. Okay, so here I will use a where keyword, const, where and let. So these are the JavaScript keywords. So I will use where. Okay, so function. So country is there. So I will do what? The country, this whole country is there. So I will bring this country, and function is there. So function I will take this side. I will do what? I will make one equal to sign, and this function keyword I will take this side, and this function keyword I will remove here. From here I will remove the function keyword, and I will put this side. So here we can see the function is there. We have just named this as country, the function. So what we will do now, inside the function we can do, this is the function. So inside the function we can do one more step here. So as you can see, so this where function is there. So we have to use some other concept here, like here we will put here a parameter is there. So we have to put one parameter inside the function. We will use one parameter like value passed to the function. Just for anything you can put ABC, XYZ, but I will write value passed to the function. So you can understand it is a parameter. You pass PAAD to the function FUNCTION. So this is parameter. So argument will be passed and this parameter is there. So you can do in this way also. So what we will do here now, lotus is not here. So this lotus we have to remove from here. Okay, and here value passed to the function we have to put this whole thing. Value passed to the function is there. So now instead of lotus we will put here value passed to the function. This parameter we will remove and put in place of lotus. So command V. So in this way we are able to do the value passed to the function. So like this we can do in this way. But here lotus we have removed here. So lotus will come where, you know. So lotus will now move up inside this, because this is the parameter. So argument now, in the place of argument, where argument will be there. So you can see the argument we can put here in this country. So here I will put that lotus. So argument will be passed. Just a second. So argument will be passed LOTUS. Same lotus. Okay. So in this way the argument will be passed. Same thing, just we have actually used keyword where, and this function we have given a name country, and value passed to the function is parameter we have here put, and here also we have put the parameter, and the then argument is passed on the click event. So let's save this and then let's run the file, and let's wait for few seconds. You can see same thing has been asked. Yes, same question, and just click lotus has been displayed. So you got it, na? In this way or that way we can do. So there are different ways in JavaScript we can perform this action. Or we can do what, na, this whole thing we can put in a different script JavaScript file and name it as document.js here inside this inside this folder itself, and then we have to give the path like a script source .js. Instead, in this whole thing we can put it in the different file also. So I will put it in the different file. I will make one file, new file, and I will make here, and I will make doc.js. I will make it as save as on the same folder, desktop folder one I have made. So I will make doc.js extension I have given. So this whole thing is there. So I can do is what, you inside this whole code was there, JavaScript code. So I can do is this whole thing I will cut it. I will first copy and paste here, and I will save it, file save, and instead of this whole I can just provide this path means it is within the same folder, desktop folder. So just I have to mention the file name. If it is in different folder, then you have to name the folder's name also. And if it is in other folder, from one folder to second folder, then you have to mention all the relative path of the folder. So here I will put src, okay, and then equals to, so that file's name doc.js in inverted commas, double quote, doc.js. So see, it has identified. Now in the same way, a file is here and script is here. So just we have given the path of the script. Now if we run this code, we will be able to get the same thing. Debug anyway. Okay. So here, just a second. Ah, so you can see we got it. Lotus. So in the same way we can work. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching my video. Just help us and watch more videos from me. So it will be easier for me to make more and more videos for you people. Thanks for watching. It has been nice making videos for you people. Thanks.